Have you ever felt like there is something holding you back? Like no matter how hard you work, there is an invisible wall stopping you from reaching your true potential. What if I told you that hidden within you is a powerful force that could completely change your life? And it's called your subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is like the hard drive of a computer. It stores every experience, every belief, and every thought we have ever had. The things we saw, felt, and learned as children, whether we remember them or not, have all been recorded. And the crazy part is, those thoughts and beliefs are running in the background, shaping every decision, action, and reaction we have today. Think about it like this way. Many of us have beliefs about success, money, relationships, and ourselves that we have never questioned. Some beliefs lift us up, but others, they hold us back. And often, we don't even know these beliefs exist. They are logged in our subconscious mind and they are shaping our reality in ways we can't see. Imagine you are trying to climb a mountain, but you are wearing a backpack filled with stones. Each stone represents a limiting belief, an insecurity, or a fear that you have picked up along the way. You might still make progress, but it's exhausting, and you are not reaching the top as quickly as you could. Reprogramming your subconscious mind is like emptying that backpack. It's about letting go of the beliefs that no longer serve you. And when you do that, you will start moving toward your goals with a lightness, a clarity, and a newfound confidence. Now let's talk about some proven techniques to reprogram your subconscious mind. These aren't quick fixes, they are practices that, if done consistently, will transform how you think and feel. So, if you are ready to start this journey, grab a pen and paper because these steps are going to change your life forever. Affirmations are like planting seeds in the garden of your mind. They work because they replace old negative beliefs with new empowering ones. The key is to be specific, positive, and consistent. For example, instead of saying I want to be successful, start saying I am successful. I am capable. I am worthy. And I am creating a successful life for myself and my family. Repeat these affirmations every single day, especially when you first wake up in the morning or at night when you go to bed, because these are the two times when your mind is most receptive. Visualization is the art of creating vivid images of what you want in life. Think of it as a mental rehearsal. Close your eyes and imagine yourself living the life you dream of. See every single detail. What does success look like to you? Feel it in your body as if it's happening right now. Visualization helps bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. And it sends a powerful message to your subconscious mind. This is real and this is possible. Meditation quiets the conscious mind and allows us to connect with the subconscious. Regular meditation helps us become aware of our thoughts and beliefs, especially those that are negative or self-limiting. With this awareness, we can begin to let them go. Remember to start small, just 5 or 10 minutes a day. Focus on your breath and let thoughts come and go without judgment. Just don't judge your thoughts. Let them come and go. Journaling is a powerful way to bring awareness to your subconscious beliefs. Each night, write down any negative thoughts or doubts you had during the day. Reflect on where these beliefs might have come from and challenge them. Replace them with new, empowering beliefs. Over time, journaling helps us see the thoughts that don't serve us and give us the clarity to rewrite them. Now here is a truth bomb. Reprogramming your subconscious mind doesn't happen overnight. Think of your mind as a garden. You can't plant a seed today and expect a tree tomorrow. It takes time, guys. It takes time, it takes patience, and it demands consistency and care. But as you continue to practice these techniques, little by little, you will start to notice shifts. You will start to feel lighter, more confident, and capable. Now imagine waking up every day feeling energized and ready to conquer your goals. Imagine looking at yourself in the mirror and truly believing you deserve every single dream of yours. This isn't a fantasy, it's a reality waiting for you to create it. But the question is, will you take the first step? So, are you ready to take control of your life by reprogramming your subconscious mind? Remember to start with small steps. Pick one technique from today and commit to it. Remember, this journey is about progress, not perfection. And if you are ready to dive deeper, hit that subscribe button and join me for more videos on transforming your mindset and creating the life of your dreams. Till then, bye-bye.